This 2025 Venture RV Sonic Lite SL169 VRK is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Jacksonville, Florida 32277 and is offered for sale by Blue Compass RV Jacksonville. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Venture RV is 22 feet 0 inches in length and features sleeps 4, Slideout, and 36 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features rear kitchen. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.